Have you ever sat down to study, work, or even watch something, and within 5 minutes, your hand just grabbed your phone? And then you looked up and 40 minutes were gone? That's not laziness. That's your brain. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens, and a simple fix that works in 3 days. We like to think the human brain is powerful, and it is. But there's one thing it's getting dramatically worse at, and that's sustained focus. 50 years ago, the average person could work without distraction for around 2 minutes. Today, studies show it's dropped to just 47 seconds. In 1 generation. Your brain isn't broken, it's been trained to fail at focus. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain. Every time you pick up your phone, see a notification, or scroll through something new, your brain releases a tiny hit of dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical of reward. It's the same chemical triggered by gambling, sugar, and even drugs. And here's the problem. Your brain is smart. After getting thousands of these small dopamine hits from your phone, it starts to compare everything to that. And boring things, like studying, working, or reading, don't measure up. So your brain pulls you away. This is called dopamine dysregulation, and it's why focusing feels physically uncomfortable now. This is why you open YouTube and skip a video after 8 seconds. Why you start a book and check your phone after 1 page. Why you sit down to work and suddenly you're in the kitchen. It's not a willpower problem. It's a brain chemistry problem. And once you understand that, the fix becomes a lot simpler. Now, the fix is not a full dopamine detox. That's not realistic. Here's what actually works. For 3 days, do this one thing. Pick one boring task, studying, writing, reading, and do it for just 10 minutes. No music, no phone nearby, no reward. Just the task. That's it. The goal is not to finish the task. The goal is to teach your brain that boredom is survivable. Think of it like a gym workout for your focus muscle. The first few days feel uncomfortable, but by day 3, your brain starts to rewire. Focus starts to feel easier. Not perfect, easier. And easier is all you need to start building momentum. The next time you feel the urge to grab your phone, just wait 10 seconds. Don't fight it. Don't force it. Just wait. That 10-second pause is your brain learning a new pattern. Try it today. And if this video helped you understand something about yourself, hit like. It tells me more people need to hear this.